You see them little birds? They were eating just a minute ago, but I see at least 3 heads, maybe more. Oh my goodness. I'll be glad when they grow up so they can go away. They can fly away. I'll try to brighten it. I get picture in picture. Anyway, every year, birds come to try to build homes in the rafters of my home. Usually I put out mothballs, and I may have mentioned this in a video before, and I catch them before they begin to make the full nest. I keep knocking it down so they'll go somewhere else. And then I buy mothballs and lay them up there, and that runs them off. But this time I missed them, which means I will be waiting until they leave the nest. Yep. But at least they're not making a mess. Oh, drop some just as we speak. Making them. Oh, that's another bird. Making a mess over my car. I'm glad of that. When I think about it, I keep you posted. I'm not gonna make it oh, there goes somebody else. Okay, they're feeding them. Look. See if I can get it out. We got something for them to eat. Ooh, look down. Right there. And they're up there with their little mouths open, waiting. Look, see them moving. They're so little you can't even hear them. Look at them. That's mama. Oh, they just moving so much now. Look. I can't hear them though. Yeah, I do. Squeak, squeak. That's what I hear. Yes. It's like, bring us some more food. Some more food. Okay, grow up and be healthy now. I did see some eggshells down on the ground. I believe it was last week or so. Once they're gone, then we'll pressure wash. I will have the house pressure washed once they're gone.